to my channel. So today I have another brush out video for you all, and this one came out kind of 1940s poofy loveliness. I'm really happy with it, I really love it. I think it goes lovely with my outfit today, which I show you at the end of the video, so please stay tuned for that. And yeah, I don't really know what else to say, it's just a lovely brush out video. So I really hope that you enjoy seeing the process and of course the finished result of this lovely brush out. And let's just pass it back over to me from 20 minutes ago. Okay, so good morning everybody. It is currently 9:20. I have to be at a lecture at 10, so I have 20 minutes to brush this out. So I'm just gonna take off my headscarf. And my hairnet, and show you the pattern. So I did a slightly different, pattern to normal. I rolled everything backwards and I tucked the ends in all in the same way across the whole head, if that makes sense. So you can see from where the clips are that everything is kind of going the same way. And now we just get to take the rollers out. I'm taking them out by unrolling them flat instead of uncurling, if that makes sense. So whereas normally I would like twizzle it and untwirl, as you can see in my other brush outs, today I'm unrolling everything out flat. Whoa. I love my hair, but I keep seeing people with like, what are they called, like Betty fringes or little Audrey Hepburn fringes, and I'm like, do I want one? And every time I've gotten a fringe, that was interesting. Every time I've got a fringe, I have not enjoyed it by the end. And I've been desperate to grow it out. And I've hated the growing out process. So I know it's a bad idea. And yet still, my heart yearns for what it cannot have.
And Steele and little sweet while they were dancing around, all around, all around. They were the talk of the town, and when the band was playing, that hesitation.
Okay. What a look. Oh my. Oh my. Right, so this is the floofiness I'm dealing with right now. To brush.
Dancing nights and days, just to keep them all away. Dancing around, they'd be dancing around. Oh, how he'd hold her, head on his shoulder.
I'm not feeling the middle part, so side part. And then continuing with the brushing. Ooh, that worked. My general principle is if I take my hand and I feel the back of my hair and it feels like it's in a little ball, that probably means it's fine. Not the most scientific of principles, but it works. So, you know, who am I? To discourage science. Ooh! My hair is doing interesting things today. Interesting in a good way there. Okay, now I have the basic brush out. It's time for the bristle brush. I find this brush does really nice things to curls. And you can, by the way, get very fancy, like boar brush or hair bristle brushes and such like, but this one was from Asda and it was like £5, so I like it and it works, so I'm not really inclined to complain. I like this, I like how this is shaping, I like the floof at the front. I'm just going to brush through the fringy bits. Interesting. I don't think I like that. I think I'd rather it just fluffed. That's better. I prefer the fluff. Now, Layrite. I don't know why I said it, so Layrite, which is solid because it is so cold. I'm just taking a few finger dabs in each hand, and then rub that through your hands, and then run that all through. And what this will do is make me look a bit crazy for a minute, but then when we brush it through again, aha, see that? It's really shiny. Going. There you go. Yep, I like this. So I'm just going to put my earrings in. Or should I? Am I going to hairspray? I'll hairspray a bit. I've been trying to use slightly less hairspray as of late. So this is the completed look. that you enjoyed this tutorial, and I will also show you my outfit today because, oh my god, it is so cute. I am full secretarial vibes and I love it. So that is it for today's video. I really hope that you all enjoyed it. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did, and please don't forget that you can follow me on social media. You can follow me on Instagram at averyvintagedarling, you can follow me on Twitter at vvintagedarling, and you can follow my blog, which is averyvintagedarling.wordpress.com. And please, of course, subscribe to this channel. I'm so close to 200 subscribers, which is really, really exciting for me, so it would make me very, very happy. And that is all. I love you all, and I will see you in my next video. Au revoir! If you enjoyed, then please give me... No, what am I saying? What am I saying?